This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use your earbuds or your AirPods on your PS5. So I have them right here, and I'm going to be using this Ugreen Bluetooth transmitter to connect it on my PlayStation 5. This is like $15 on Amazon, and this 100% does work. If you're trying to connect your AirPods without getting one of these Bluetooth receiver, you're going to get a message that says it's not supported. But it does work with this. Now, what we want to do is take the little dongle. This is the dongle that comes with the device. Just plug into the front USB slot, and then hold down the sync button right here. Then put your AirPods in the Bluetooth pairing mode as well. So here's the front of my PlayStation 5. We can zoom in. And I'm going to plug this in right now. I have a PS5 Pro. That's why I have two USB slots. And I think I have it upside down. Okay, doesn't really matter which way you put it, but you can at least see the lights this way. Okay, now press that sync button down. And it should be in the Bluetooth pairing mode when it's red and blue. Now here's my AirPods. Open up the case, make sure there's battery, and then hold down the pairing button right here. Okay, the light should flash. Eventually it will turn green when the two are connected. So they should be connected and synced up with each other soon. So when this is a solid blue and that's a solid green, you can take them out of the case now. Now you want to switch over the audio on your PS5. So you can see I have this menu up where I have the device output right there. So you can go to it just under sound, go to output device, and switch it to the Ugreen BT501. Then you should be able to increase the audio right here. Then you can do the microphone, go to the wireless controller mic, so you can speak through the microphone on the controller, and then get the audio on your AirPods. So this 100% works. I can hear it in my ear right now, going up and down in the different menus. So go ahead and just try this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.